All right, I've already done the transitions, so I'll just show you how you can make a shake like Sanchezae. First, add tiles, then turn on the mirror and set the strength of the crop to 1.10. Then add transform and add keyframes like this. Zoom in on the timeline, then step back by 2 frames and add the keyframes, and then remove all the first keyframes. Now just do the graphs like this. Now add the auto shake effect and follow my steps. Once you're done with the effects, you can just copy and paste all the effects into the second clip, and you can also change some settings like this if you don't like the result of the second clip's shake. Also, if you want to learn smooth warp like the one I did in the edit, you can check this out to learn smooth warp and turbulent displace. Alright, the tutorial is finished. If you found the tutorial helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.